Welcome to Just Kampers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your cooling system header tank cap on a T25. First, we make sure the engine is absolutely stone cold. And then we remove the pipe that goes between our header tank cap and our overflow tank. And then we pick one of the big coolant pipes and give it a good squeeze. And I can actually hear air coming out of the spout. That's leaking. We don't want that, so we need to change that. So let's put our replacement cap on. With our replacement cap, we'll do the same test, give it a good squeeze, and now I can't hear any air. The purpose of this header tank cap is to regulate our cooling system's pressure. As the engine warms up and our coolant expands, it causes a rise in pressure. When it reaches 1 bar or 14.5 psi, the valve in this cap will open and allow in flow into our overflow catch tank. Now when the engine is then switched off and allowed to cool, the secondary valve in this cap will open and allow fluid to return back to our cooling system. As you can see, the black one on the left has 2 visible valves. Now these type of caps have quite a high failure rate, and then you see the new one has a different type of pattern, but it does still contain 2 valves. The new cap is a direct replacement, and it's made in Germany by a company called Blau, and they actually manufacture for VW. For more handy hints, follow us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and check us out at justkampers.com. Thanks for watching.